Another good things, you find in this backing pad three, we call a rondella, this one. This machine have a kind of simple brake concept. This means when a backing pad rotating, stop automatically or just quickly stop when you stop it to press the button. After a few months or few years sometime, this kind of simple brake system sometimes lose the power. In that case, if you feel that, and the backing pad when you stop still go on for a long time, you just have to remove backing pad, and you remove one of these three. Normally we do this one after 1 year. You remove one of these three rondelle. In that case, your brake pad system, it works again. Another good things is our pros is built with a special or unallergic rubber. This means you don't have any problem with this kind of rubber. You can control the speed, the power with this red button is here.